Gingersnap cookies. It's an easy, simple recipe that you can make whenever you want something sugary or sweet. First we start with 225 grams of flour. Then we add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. You can also use fresh ground ginger, but it's easier to mix ginger powder. Then just mix it. And leave it aside for now. Then we need a pan on a lowest heat. And 100 grams of butter. Then we add 100 grams of this honey, but you can also use golden syrup. And 100 grams of brown sugar. This is healthier than white sugar and also usually a lot more tasty. Just you have to keep mixing until the butter melts. And always on a low heat. Butter has melted, we turn this off and move it here. You have to keep mixing it until it turns completely brown. Now you can see it's almost done, but you need it to be completely brown. There's some the butter yellow bit, you can still see that. Now we take our earlier flour mixture and pour it in. And mix all the flour in. You have to keep mixing until it becomes the proper dough. Dough is now done. Now we need to make balls for the cookies, basically. You can take any type of spoon, and remember it's still a bit hot. make them as even as possible. Take them and roll them into balls. Or it have whatever size you want for cookies. And press them down. Bake these at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 to 10 minutes depending on the power of your oven. I already set the oven to preheat, so I'll show you once these are baked. Our cookies are now ready. They were done in 10 minutes in our oven. Look, they're all even and very soft. So you can make this recipe easy. It took less like 10-15 minutes, including preparation and baking. And the ginger, if you're worried about the ginger, the sharpness and the spiciness of the ginger counterbalances with the sugar. So it's not too sweet, it's not too bitter, and it comes out delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and we'll see you later.